guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert your PDF file to a PNG file on the 123apps.com application or website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, then scroll down to the PDF tools section and then click on this PDF to PNG. Then you should tap on the choose file button in the middle of the screen and select the PDF file from your documents. After that, tap on upload, and here you have two options: convert pages or extract images. Now tap on convert pages to see how it looks like. As you can see now, it is being processed, but in a few seconds you will be able to download the PNG image. Tap on download. Click on this download icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on this folder, and here you can find the relevant documents. If you want to try out the other option, all you have to do is going back, tap on this button, repeat the steps. So select a PDF file, tap on upload and tap on extract images. Tap on download, click on this download icon, tap on the folder, and here you will be able to find all of the images included in the PDF file that you have selected. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.